yung single.
Umaga ka na naman uwi!
Sa bawat bilangsina, dapat may mabilis na pandikit kang handa. Mighty Bond. Mighty Fast, Mighty Strong. Also available, Mighty Bond Shots.
Every game, kailangan ng focus, skill, at endurance.
Shoot! Dribble! Shoot! Dribble! Shoot! Shoot! Shoot!
Hindi, pag may tongkat, ali.
Say goodbye to hair breakage worries. New Sunsilk Fruitamin Strengthening Collection. Makes hair up to 10 times stronger and shinier. New Sunsilk Fruitamin Strengthening Collection.
Umaga ka na naman uwi!
Sa bawat bilangsina, dapat may mabilis na pandikit kang handa. Mighty Bond. Mighty Fast, Mighty Strong. Also available, Mighty Bond Shots.
Well, we're back here at the Araneta Coliseum looking at a Jack and Jill fantastic moment. Life is fun, celebrating the last bucket of Raba Al-Husseini, 27 points, bucking a slow start and a bad shooting afternoon. And JV Casio finally connects. 7 out of 21 for JV Casio, only one 3-point shot for him. 9 points, 4:14 remaining, TJ.
He has really had the clean first points today. Look at this beautiful assist by Chris Chu. You know, Chris said, I don't care if I score 2 points like we did in UE.
Exactly.
As long as you win.
15 assists for Ateneo. And again, 29 points for the Man Mountain of Ateneo. They are putting down the hammer, DJ, with under 4 minutes remaining. 8 on the 24. JV triple team. Doesn't get the roll. And Raba comes away with his 10th rebound, so you know what that means. Another double-double performance.
Really making a very strong case of being adjudged the most valuable player in this league. We'll find out on Thursday, by the way, folks.
That's right. Chris Chu fades away!
Another tough shot there. And you can't have a game without a Chris Chu moment for Ateneo. But it's been their defense that has really been the key today. LaSalle still held down to only 52 points. Around 30% field goal shooting for LaSalle. I don't know exactly what it is now. At the half it was at 24. And the points allowed in their wins, Ateneo has only allowed 60.7 points for their opponents. On the average, 61.5. That is how good a defensive team Ateneo is. Blue to blue.
That side, McDonald's, but cheeseburger ka naman. 3 minutes to play here in the fourth quarter. And you know, Ateneo's managed that press well better in the second half.
Absolutely much better here in the second half. But don't look now, JV Casio wants to take over for LaSalle.
Starting to heat up, but then Raba is still there. He misses though. Rare miss on a gimme shot. JV's asking for it. Mangaha strides hard. Still no go. James against the triple team. And the fifth block by Nonoy Baclao.
And boom, looking at the assist number for LaSalle, they average 14 a game. Today, only 6 assists for LaSalle. That's an indication that you see plays like that. Nakakanya-kanya ang LaSalle. This is not LaSalle basketball that you see. That fluidly moves the ball around, gets teammates involved. 1 against 3 here for James Mangas.
C2 cool and clean block. The Nonoy Baclao effect. Cool plus clean.
5 blocks?
5 blocks in the game. And then you have Raba scoring 29 on the other side.
And that's inside dominance for you.
They are number 1 in the league in terms of limiting inside points, talking about Ateneo. So they're doing it from both the 3-point